Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an LG washer and it's giving you a C small d error code and you're wondering what this is and how do you get rid of it. So a couple things. One, it's not an error code, and two, if you're getting this, that means you have a dryer or a washer dryer. And again, it's not an error code. This is basically the display just telling you that it's CD, that it's cooling down. So it's basically, it has finished its drying cycle, but it actually goes into a little cool down stage. Because what happens if you don't take your clothes out right away, when it's done, then they can start to wrinkle. So it goes into this cool down cycle. So anyways, there's nothing to do. You just need to remove your clothes and it will get rid of it. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.